Thanammal Ravichandran from India. I am a professor from Kumaraguru College of Liberal Arts and Science. I am working with the University of Hohenheim, Germany for my research project under the WISER program. I came last 1 month back to Hohenheim University. This was a very good experience for me. Professor Mizeck Chagunda, who has given lot of inputs into my research methods and analysis, and also to the writing part. We are trying to write a first paper in collaboratively. Apart from this, Professor Chagunda also helped me to visit 2 dairy farms in Germany, where I learned how the mechanization helps to reduce the labor burden for the farmers, and also the farm visit helped me to understand the factors for dairy productivity and the importance of the scientific dairy farming, and also the ration balancing, which can increase the productivity of the dairy animals. These are the flag-fed breed, which gives average milk around 30 liters per day. In a lactation, it gives 9,000 liters. The farmer have a digital recording system to maintain the breeding records of each calving. So he could able to trace the calves, how much it can give in future. He is trying to select the calving based on the records he is doing it. It's very good. It's very good visit for us to learn how the digital systems are helping for the breeding values. Apart from this, I try to learn the management of these dairy farms, which will be helpful for me to develop some strategies in back home in India, especially for the reduction of methane emissions from the dairy sector. Apart from this, and also I try to visit many laboratories here, especially for example the bioengineering department, where I learned the importance of different research methodologies for extracting the nutrients from the bio waste. And I visited to the animal nutrition laboratory, where I learned the nutritional analysis of the livestock feed sector, how we can use the alternative feeding technologies in livestock sector. And also I have visited the research station in Hohenheim, where I have seen how they are doing the research work on using the cannulated animals for the feed research and all. This was overall the the visit to Germany was very helpful for me to strengthen my networking in this university. And I have discussed with the professors for the exchange of students, especially 2 to 3 master students will come from Germany to India for their research work within my project. Thanks for WISER program giving me the opportunity for this exposure visit. Thank you. Good afternoon, Professor.
Good afternoon.
Shall I get some feedback about your opinion on the WISER program, Women in Science Engineering Research, which we are working together?
So for me, this program is really important, and it highlights the importance of working together, importance of knowledge exchange, and also importance of co-learning. So for me, it's a real important program that helps scientists from different places, so in this case India and Germany, to work together and find common solutions to problems that have a global perspective, but at the same time they are occurring locally. So it is a really important program.
So how do you think that the exchange of scientists from developing countries, is it very impactful to your host institution?
Oh yes, there is a lot of impact on this kind of exchange. Most of the time people think that when you come from a developing country or a low to medium income country to a developed country like Germany, you do all the learning. But the truth is there's a lot of exchange learning. Yeah? So the scientists in Germany learn quite a lot from scientists from the global south, and vice versa. There's really good exchange of information, good synergies, and also cross-pollination of ideas. So for me, it's not a one-way learning experience. it is actually exchange of knowledge, and that is very important.
Do you have any suggestions to this program for any improvement?
Not really improvement. I would actually say a suggestion for even taking it to a higher level. For a start, this program brings together scientists from different countries. That helps to start really thinking of how can we do a bigger project together. So bringing in expertise from different areas, different research ideas. How can we then write a proposal for a bigger project together? For that, obviously, one of the things needed is to bring people together as a workshop, because people have all sorts of things going on, but to have that as one idea, you would need a workshop kind of environment. And that is something that I would say we should always make sure we take that forward, so that we can really make the whole program not only sustainable but also have a lot of impact. The other part of the impact is to also start thinking of not us as the scientists, but our students, the future scientists. How can we incorporate that? How can we bring them in so that when you and me start leaving the stage, there is a group of younger scientists who are coming in onto the stage to continue the work.
Yeah, that is good feedback, because as we are discussing together how we can include the master and PhD students into the project, that is the next generation to learn from this project. Thank you very much, Dr. Chagunda.
Thank you very much. And
thanks for hosting us.
Thank you for your time, and thank you for choosing us as the host. We are really delighted to have you and also to be involved in this project. So I thank you as well.
Thank you, sir.